I'm gonna love you.
Hey my friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to make walking robot using my this witblox kit. So let's get started. For making the walking robot you will require power, distance sensor, mount board, dual shafted motor and one toy car. So break your toy car and take the main part of it. Take the mount board. For the base you will require 16 cm length and 3 cm breadth and cut this. For the leg you will require 7.5 cm and 3 cm breadth. For the feet you will require 4.5 cm and 1.5 cm and cut this. Stick the motor. Take your car base and stick with the glue gun. As your main base is ready, take the legs and stick. Take your power and the driver and attach it. For decorative process you can think your ideas. I have made in this box. Stick the double-sided tape to the power and attach to this. Take the connection of your motor and attach to the driver. Now your model is ready. For the decoration process I have made a small man, so stick it. This is a string. Now your model is ready.